Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran.
The UK-based Privy Council has agreed to move up the timeline to hear the long-awaited appeal of incarcerated dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel and his 3 co-convicts. The appeal was originally slated to be heard in April next year, but following an application by his attorneys, the law lords agreed to hear the case in February. Radio Jamaican News spoke with lead attorney Bert Samuels this afternoon.
We are looking forward to the hearing of the appeal by way of Valentine's gift to the defense, because we are convinced that the grounds argued in the Jamaican Court of Appeal were meritorious, and we are of the view that we should get a favorable result through the Privy Council.
Mr. Samuels expressed confidence that the attorneys will be successful in the appeal.
The registrar of the Privy Council advised us yesterday, the team of attorneys for Sean Campbell and others, including Vybz Kartel, that the new date for the hearing of the appeal will be the 14th and 15th of February next year.
Kartel, whose given name is Adisha Palmer, Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John are serving life sentences for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams.
Rapper Lil Wayne is in his sports bag. Lil Wayne has joined the Texas Ranchers pickleball team as part owner and strategic advisor. Wayne will provide direction for the brand, drive national and local fandom to the sport, support creative ideation, develop future apparel collaborations, and work with the team to build pickleball courts in underserved areas. The team, one of the 8 founding Major League pickleball teams in the U.S., includes singer-songwriter and rapper The Kid Laroi, sports commentator and former NFL athlete Emmanuel Acho, and LA Clippers owner and CEO Dennis Wong. Rihanna makes history with a Super Bowl performance. It's now official. Rihanna beats Katy Perry's previous record of 121 million viewers for her Super Bowl 49th halftime show back in 2015. Rihanna actors paid tribute to the late Richard Roundtree. Tributes have been pouring in following the death of Richard Roundtree. Roundtree's manager confirmed his death yesterday in a statement in Variety magazine, noting that the actor passed away Tuesday afternoon after a short battle with pancreatic cancer. He was best known for his performance as a tough-talking private eye in the 1971 film Shaft. Roundtree's Being Mary Jane co-star Gabrielle Union penned on X, formerly Twitter, that working with Roundtree was a dream, adding that getting to hang with him and the Being Mary Jane family was always a good time. While Samuel L. Jackson, who portrayed John Shaft's nephew in the 2000 sequel to Gordon Parks' 1971 action film, shared that the passing of his fellow co-star is a real blow. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.